Hey kindergarten, welcome back to group 2. So remember, these videos are for the scholars that are in group 2, and we're gonna start with some fluency practice by playing this game called Snap. The scholars in my classroom really like this game, so remember, I'm gonna show you that I have 5 cubes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna hide some behind my back. So if, for example, if I took off this many and I hid it behind my back, I see that I have 1, 2, 3. How many are behind my back? The answer is 2. So 3 and 2 make 5. Okay, so that was the example. Now your turn to practice. I'm gonna hide some behind my back. Here we go. Count how many do I have? And how many is behind my back? 1. So 4 and 1 make 5. Now I'm going to do it again. Ready? Okay, here's the next one. How many is behind my back? 2. So I have 3 and 2 make 5. Okay, now I'm going to do it one more time. And here we go. How many do I have? How many is behind my back? 0. So 5 and 0 make 5. Awesome job. Okay, now we're gonna do some flashcards again, and you're gonna count how many dots do I have, and our goal today is to make 10, okay? So here is the first one. How many dots do I have? Go ahead and count them out loud. So I'll count with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 dots. Now how many more dots do I need to make 10? 1, 2, 3. Because I have 7 and 1, 2, 3. 7 and 3 make 10. Great. Here's the next one. How many dots do I have? 1. How many more dots do I need to make 10? I have 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more dots was that? 9 more dots. So 1 and 9 make 10. Let's say that number sentence together. Ready? 1 and 9 make 10. Great. Do a couple more. Here is your next one. How many dots do I have? 3. How many more dots do I need to make 10? So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more dots was that? 7. So 3 and 7 make 10. Let's say that number sentence together. Ready? 3 and 7 make 10. Great job. Go. Keep going. Y'all are doing great so far. How many dots do I have now? I have 8 dots. How many more dots do I need to make 10? Because remember, we're making 10. How many more do I need to make 10? Yeah, 2. So let's say the number sentence together. I have 8 and 2 make 10. Great. Here is your next one. Let's do this one. How many dots do I have? 6 dots. Yeah, how many more dots do I need to make 10? Let's see. 4 dots. So 6 and 4 make 10. Great. And we'll do one more. Here it is. How many dots do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 dots. How many more dots do I need to make 10? 0. So 10 and 0 make 10. Great. All right. Now today, we're going to be counting objects into piles of 10 ones. Okay? So our goal is to count piles of 10 ones. Okay, scholars. Now we're going to be working at my table. And you might see like these little dots right here or these legs right here. But that's just for me so I know where to put my camera and like where to hold things, okay? So just ignore that. So I have here some bags of these cubes. Okay, so I got lots of colors. I got red, green, orange, blue, and white. Okay, so I need your help into sorting these things that has 10 things and not 10 things. So we're gonna count all of these cubes and we're gonna do it one bag at a time, okay? And you're gonna help me put it either in under 10 things or it doesn't have 10 things, okay? So let's start with the red one. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the bag. I'm gonna open it out, put it on the table. Okay, you're gonna help me count these red cubes, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So does the red cubes have 10 red things or does it not have 10 red things? Which one? Yeah, 10 things. So I'm gonna put all of my cubes back into the little baggie. And I'm gonna put it in the pile that has 10 things. Okay, great. Let's do the next one. Let's do the blue one. Okay, I'm gonna count the blue ones now, okay? Count with me, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did it have 10 things? Yeah! So would I put it in the 10 things or the not 10 things? The 10 things. Yeah, I'm gonna put it with the red cubes. So I'm gonna put it back in the bag. And I'm gonna put it in this pile. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Let's do the green one. Okay. Again, help me count these green cubes now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did it have 10 things? No. So which pile am I going to put it under? The pile that says 10 things or the not 10 things? The not 10 things. Okay, let me put this in that pile. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. Let's do the orange ones. Okay, again, help me count these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did it have 10 things this time? Yeah! So which side would I put it on? 10 things or not 10 things? The 10 things! Okay, great. Let me put it back in the bag. Oop. Okay. And we got one more bag to sort. Here it is. This is the white cubes. Ready? Help me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did this one have 10 things? No. So am I going to put it in the 10 things or the not 10 things? Which one? Yeah, the not 10 things. Okay, so let me put these back in the little bag. Alright, now let's take a look at our cubes that we sorted, okay? I'm going to move this over. How many times did we count 10 things? So I'm going to go under the 10 things. How many times did we count 10 things? Let's look. I have 1, 2, 3. So how many times did we count 10 things? Yeah, 3 times. Great. So I'm going to put these to the side now. Remember, we counted 3 10 things. So now we're going to count these writing utensils into piles of 10 to match these cubes of piles of 10, okay? So let me move this out to the side. We're gonna count these into piles of 10 just to match these cubes. So I got the blue ones, the yellow, orange ones, and the red ones, okay? So let's see if we can match those piles. Ready? So I got some colored pencils here, and count with me so we can match them with the blue ones. Ready? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did this one match with the blue cubes? Yeah, because I got 10 here and I got 10 here. Great. Now let's match the orange cubes. Okay, this time I'm going to use some Sharpies. I'm going to use all writing utensil things, okay? So let's see if we can match these 10 orange cubes. I have 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Are those matching now? Great. Now how many piles of 10 did we make so far? 1 pile, 2 piles. How many piles did we make? 2 piles of 10. Yeah, great. But I'm not done. I still have these red cubes. Okay, now I gotta do the red cubes. So let me move and make some space real quick. There we go. All right, this time I got some markers, okay? We're gonna make another pile of 10 to match the red cubes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're counting with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now, this pile is matching with the red, the Sharpies are matching with the orange, and the color pencils are matching with the blue. So how many piles of 10 did we make? Let's count them. We have 1, 2, and we have 3. We have 3 piles of 10. Now let's count the 10 bags too. How many things are in each bag? Do you remember? Yeah, 10 things. So we have 1 bag of 10, 2 bag of 10, 3 bag. We have 3 bags of 10. So, when I'm looking at this, let's look at this one first. Let's just look at the blue ones. When I'm looking at this, I see that these color pencils has 10 and these blue cubes have 10. So they're both 10. They're the same. They're both 10. But let me think about what's different. Oh, these are color pencils and these are cubes. That's different. Let's look at the other ones. Let's do the red ones. All right. So for the red ones, let's think about what is the same for these red ones and these markers. What is the same? What is the same? Yeah, this bag has 10 and these markers are 10. They're both 10. But what's different? Yeah, this one is markers. This one are these cubes. They're different. Okay, now let's check the last one. All right, let's check the cubes and let's check the Sharpies. Now, what is the same and what is different? Yeah, these cubes have 10 and these markers have 10. They're both 10. But what's different this time? Yeah, these ones are Sharpies. We use them to write. And these are cubes. We don't use these to write. We use them to help us count. Great. So, let me move these out of the way. So, how many times did we count 10 ones when we were using the writing utensils? How many times did we count 10 ones when we were using the writing utensils? Let's see. 1, 2, And three. So how many times did we count 10 with the writing utensils? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Yeah, let's check about with the things in the bag. So let me move these out of the way. Let's see. How many times did we count 10 ones with the things in the bag? Remember, how many times did we count 10 ones? We have one group of 10 ones, 2 group of 10 ones, and 3 group of 10 ones. So we counted it 3 times. Awesome job. Oh, let's go back to the time when we didn't count 10 ones. Let's go look at those blocks again. Remember the white cubes and the green cubes? How many times did we not count 10 ones? 2 times. Awesome. All right. Great job doing that. Now we're going to be doing some practice. All right. Now we're going to circle the groups that have 10 ones. Okay, so I'm going to need your help counting these, and we're going to circle the groups that have 10 ones. So let's start counting with the triangles. See, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did that one have 10? Yeah, so what am I going to do? Circle it. All right. So if you see, I crossed them out. Well, it's kind of hard to see a little bit, but I crossed them out to help me keep track of which ones I counted and which ones I didn't count, okay? So I'm going to do the same thing for these purple circles, okay? Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did that one have 10 ones? No. All right, so I'm not going to circle those. Okay, let's do the next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did those have 10 ones? Yeah. So I'm going to circle it. Let's see. So far, I've circled two groups of 10 ones. Great. Let's keep going. Let's do the blue circles next. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did that one have 10 ones? No. So I'm not going to circle it. All right. Ooh, let's do the orange ones next. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did that one have 10 ones? No. So I'm not going to circle those either. All right. Moving on. I got these pink circles now. Ooh, these are all in a ring. So remember, I'm going to cross count to help me keep track of which ones I've counted and which ones I haven't counted. So I'm going to start right here. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did that one have 10 ones? Yeah. All right. So what should I do if I counted 10 ones? Circle it. All right. So I'm going to circle it. And this last one right here, I see some brown sticks. I'm going to count the brown sticks. Remember, count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did that one have 10 ones? Yeah. So what should I do? Circle it. So I'm going to circle these. And look, there's a question at the bottom. Let's see what it says. How many times did we count 10? How many times did we count 10 ones? Do you know the answer already? Let's see. 4 times. So I'm going to write the number 4. We counted 4 groups of 10 ones. 1 group of 10 ones, 2 groups of 10 ones, 3 groups of 10 ones, and 4 groups of 10 ones. Great job. All right, scholars. Great job counting today's objects into piles of 10 and counting it as 10 ones. Remember, we call it 10 ones. So I'm going to challenge you to find things around your house that you can count objects into as 10 ones. Okay? Great. Great job today. I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Bye.